Hi, I'm Gamma Educator Kat Fair. Today we're making an extra special project, Valentine's Day Table Runners. This is a fast project using your couching foot and some yarn for great texture. Gather your supplies and let's get started. The first step is to load your quilt sandwich. In this case, we've loaded our cotton backing and we're floating the canvas top. You could also use down, and in the earlier example, we used burlap as well. And there's no padding, basted all the way around. Make sure you've attached your couching foot. Click out a boundary. Place your patterns inside that boundary. Thread your machine, put in the bobbin, and now let's grab some yarn and start stitching. With the stitching complete, we just have to remove the project from the frame and bind it. This project can also be done hand-guided. You could chalk out a path to follow. You could use stencils, grids, rulers, all sorts of fun stuff. There's really no limit to what we can do. Please share photos of your table runners with us on social media. Use the hashtag #GamelQuilting. Thanks for watching.